friends, welcome to my channel, Trying It with Jay. Today we're going to be making stewed beans. It's protein packed, super healthy, and very delicious. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started with the bean stew, we have our pan heated up right now on medium. We're going to pour our oil in, just enough to coat the pan. Now that our oil is heated up, I'm going to put in half a cup of onions, sliced onions in there. Tablespoon of tomato paste. Sauteed the onions with the tomato paste, and now I'm going to pour in my pureed tomato paste. So I just pureed 3 large tomatoes in the blender, and this is just what we have. I'm going to pour it in here. Cube. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Stir it up. Cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. The stew has been cooking for 20 minutes now. It's coming out nice. You get a nice color on top of the oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in some black pepper, sprinkle a little bit. We're going to add salt to taste. Stir it up. Cover and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Stew has been cooking. Starting to smell really delicious. It's looking good. So now we're going to add in our beans. I'm using black-eyed peas. I cooked 2 cups of black-eyed peas. I used my pressure cooker for I put it in for 15 minutes and it came out nice and tender. You just want it to be nice and tender to be able to crush it between your fingers with ease. You can also cook it on the stove, but it's just going to take a little longer than 15 minutes if you want it to cook quicker. For it to cook faster, if you have a pressure cooker, put it in your pressure cooker for 15 minutes. An Instant Pot works as well. So I'm now going to just pour my beans in here. It's there. Now we're just going to let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. Alright, so our stew has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. It's thickening up nice. Perfect. So now we're going to add some garlic powder. Just a sprinkle, not too much. But if you love garlic, you can add a little bit more if you would like. Just going to stir it up. You can also use fresh garlic. You can blend the fresh garlic with the tomatoes and add it in that way, or you can use garlic powder. Either options is fine. Cover up and let it cook and thicken up some more. About another 15-20 minutes. So it's been about 20 minutes. And look at that. The stew has thickened up nicely. You can thicken up a bit more. So we'll leave it another 5 minutes. And it'll be ready to serve. Alright friends, there we have it. Our stewed beans, and I've paired it with the plantains, fried plantains, and plantain fritters. Alright friends, there you have it. This has stewed beans, and I paired it with fried plantains and plantain fritters. I'm going to put the link to the video for the plantain fritters recipe below, so check the description for that. And this dish is usually made with palm oil, and in Ghana they call it red because the plantains usually look reddish, and then because of the palm oil, the bean stew also looks reddish, so it's or red. That's why it's a very monochromatic meal. It almost looks exactly the same, from the stew to the plantains, everything all looks the same color, but that's very intentional. But it's a very healthy, it's so packed full of nutrients, and I hope you'll give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.